Good morning guys! Ito na naman po tayo, si Eric, your safety officer. Yung mga nagbabash po dyan, maraming salamat po. Ito po ulit yung continuation ng roles and responsibilities ng safety. Verification and submission of injury logs and report. Isa po sa mga roles and responsibility ng safety officer is yung mag-submit ng report sa authority, okay, at saka sa internal organization, especially sa mga general managers at saka sa mga construction. Napaka-importante po nito kasi po doon po nila nakikita kung ano po yung nangyayari sa site natin. Okay guys, huwag niyo kakalimutan, kayo ang may responsibilidad for reporting any accident or incident. Okay guys? By fulfilling this responsibility, the safety officer assists government agency in clearly understanding the safety landscape and can take appropriate action to improve safety measures and prevent future incidents. Okay? Katulad natin na internal sa organization, bakit ba tayo nag-iimbestiga ng accident and investigation? Of course, we don't want to reoccur the incident. Ayaw natin maulit-ulit. Kawawa naman yung mga workers natin, di ba? So, number 16, ensuring adequate safe tools and equipment. The safety officer assumes the crucial responsibility of ensuring that all tools and equipment used in workplace are adequate and safe to use. Okay guys, that's why meron tayong monthly inspection ng mga equipment. So, kung wala kayong program nito sa inyong company, well, masasabi natin incomplete ang inyong OHS management system. Based sa 45,001-2018 na ISO, kailangan natin magkaroon ng complete operational control procedure. Okay guys, dito nakalathala o naka-indicate na kayo ay dapat mag-develop ng inyong program tungkol sa mga inspection ng equipment at ensure na ito ay safe na gamitin. Okay guys, thank you very much for listening. Again, maraming salamat po sa mga nagbabash, especially sa mga grammar ko. Hindi po ako perfecto. I told you, ako lang po ay nagsishare ng aking kaalaman. Kung kayo po ay perfectionist, gumawa po kayo ng sarili nyong video. Maraming salamat po. Peace!